We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes in the plush box that I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the background. See you make a wild throw the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo